Sparkle duck.
It's so sparkly.
I know. And I didn't have to do anything to get it. I just asked.
You just asked.
Very nicely.
Bug, what you doing?
Nothing.
They're about to find the duck game.
Why are you guys finding them?
I asked your daddy if I could have one.
How come you got a silver one? I couldn't.
I picked out the sparkly
Well,
one.
there's a lot. I got three. I got three of them.
Catherine.
Hey, Chris.
Look, one Chris.
I found the one you were talking about. Daddy,
Look for some more duckies, Aaron. He's looking.
All right, how's the fire coming, man?
It's going great.
Good.
Aaron, look over here. Look. Look on the deck. Look, go get him on the deck.
I dropped my ducky.
Go get it, Aaron. Get it.
I got the one. I dropped my ducky. Where? It's a green one. You got the same one what I have. I dropped my ducky. It's green. Dropped it.
Let's find it.
That's gonna be hard.
Did you drop it right? Oh, look what I found.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Don't drop them.
Are you having fun? You enjoying the camping and the fun?
Hey, Ellie, look down.
It's a ball.
How much longer do you have before becoming an actual legit, like, with a child in the world?
Yeah, having to look after something here too.
Yeah.
July 17th, so
Not long.
yeah,
Enjoy your free time.
July, 2 months.
You have no more free time for the next 18 years. It's worth it, I promise. Isn't that right, Charlie? Being a parent is totally worth it, even though you'll have no free time for the rest of your life.
Yes.
What's trade?
No, you don't need free time.
It's worth it.
Well-
And that's why we have, like, parent outings.
Well, I'm banking on it being more worth it later on in life than it might feel right now.
I see.
Yeah, you know what I
So
mean?
it's an uphill climb, and
Well, it's like we're in the trenches
Yeah,
right
yeah.
now, but it will be worth it. When
You gotta
you're
make-
old and like, you know, not your dying, your deathbed, but you know,
They're
at the
gonna-
end of your life, you can look and see like look at what, you know, look at all these blessings and the blessings we call blessings. We didn't do them all.
Also, they're probably going to pick your home and
Good,
or
keep going, keep looking.
let you come live with them. So, you know,
Yeah.
be good.
So once you have grandkids, you're like, man, I'm glad I had kids.
You're
Is that
you're
kind
going
of
to be
what-
raising your nursing home one day. Or you'll be going to a nursing home, depending on how you raise them.
You're gonna be raising. That's
I only found four.
Hey, Charlie.
Extreme JJ close up.
Hey, buddy.
There's a smile. There's that smiley boy.
You. Sparkle duck.
It's so sparkly.
I know. And I didn't have to do anything to get it. I just asked.
You just asked.
Very nicely.